When I'm sitting with a friend at our computer and we're looking at something, I'm constantly surprised with how often they'll gasp, "How did you do that?" Because I use a lot of keyboard shortcuts, and so should you, because they make things faster. Now, most people know the shortcut for copy and paste with Control-C and Control-V, but there are so many other good examples. For example, when I'm in a web browser opening a new website, I go Control-L, which brings up the Open a Website dialog box. And then I don't bother typing in http:// anymore, because you don't need that, nor do I even bother typing in www, because you don't need that anymore as well. You just type in the name of the website, .com.ca, hit enter, and it'll take you straight to it. That's a big time saver. Now, another thing I do is switching between open applications. Now, you can take your mouse and you can look down in the bottom of your taskbar and figure out which application you want to go to, or you can just cycle through them all by hitting Alt-Tab, and that brings up a window that allows me to see exactly which application is open and navigate straight to it. And there's a similar shortcut using the Control tab when you're in a web browser to navigate from Open Tab to Open Tab within your web browser to be able to go from window to window that way as well. Now, this is one that I use a lot. With my failing eyesight, I find a lot of websites are too information dense. There's too much text, and the text is too small for me to be able to read easily. So Control Plus allows me to zoom in on that small text in these information-rich websites and be able to read it quite comfortably. And similarly, Control Minus will zoom back out. Now, unfortunately, there is no keyboard combination that I can think of to add time to our show, so it is time for me to bid you adieu. Drop by the Dotto Tech website to see past episodes, download podcasts, and read our blogs, or find out more about any of the products we covered on our show. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Dotto Tech.